Now here's a good looking trailer. This is a 2016 Quailridge 39 FLSB. It's got a 20-foot bay window on this jewel. It's awesome. You're looking at unit number 211. It's got kind of a dark blue siding with white trim, white shutters, and a silver roof. It's a good color scheme. As you can see, it's got a house type rear entry door. Let's head on inside. It's a one bedroom. It's got a great big front open living room. Corian countertops. Built-in fireplace. Surround sound stereo. Beadboard cabinetry. Again, as do all Quailridges, this one comes, everything in them stays in them. Table and 4 chairs, sleeper sofa. Got 2 rocker recliners. End table and a lamp. Trapezoid window, ceiling fan. Stainless steel appliances. There is full extension ball bearing drawer guides on all the drawers. That is a convection microwave. Stainless steel undermount sink. The kitchen faucet sports a full pull-out sprayer. Nice pantry. It's got some indirect lighting on it. Got a recessed hutch with room for a vacuum cleaner or a broom under it. 56,000 BTU furnace. House type rear entry door. Lots and lots of cabinets in the bedroom. Boy, this is sharp looking. I don't get in all my trailers all the time, and I'm fairly impressed with this one. Got a ceiling fan in the master bedroom. That beadboard really looks nice. It really does. His and hers wardrobe. Got a closet rod in each. Got nightstands. You got outlets by your nightstands for any accessories you need for sleeping. Okay. Let's check out the bathroom. That's what's left. Try to get some light in here. I think this GoPro film's pretty good though. You've got the Neo Angle shower. It's shower only. You've got a great big linen closet here. Porcelain stool. Medicine cabinet. Corian counter in the bathroom. And quite a bit of storage underneath. Plank wood linoleum on the entire main floor, except for the master bedroom. MSRP on this trailer is somewhere around $52,000. It's one of our fancier one bedrooms. If you've got a lake lot or something with the view, just imagine the view you can have out of this. There's mini blinds on all the windows. Surround sound stereo. And a built-in fireplace to knock the chill out. Anyhow, if you got any questions, call Kelly. 815-849-9089 and reference number 211. There you go. And we're off to the next trailer.